Here is the practice set for lesson 89. They want you to get in the practice of seeing what improper fractions look like in comparison with proper ones, and to see that they are equivalent. And so they want you to show that 1 3/4 equals 7/4. So I take and I create two circles because I know that one is going to be all full and then the other one's going to be partially colored in. And I am going to color in my 1. I'm not going to color it totally in so you can see the sections. And then I'm going to color 3 of these in. And if we count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we know that we can say, oh yeah, this is equal. 1 3/4 is equal to 7/4. Our next one is 2 1/2. And so I've drawn 3 circles. These are my holes. This is my first hole. This is my second hole. And then I'm going to color in half of this circle. So let's count how many halves we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once more we can say, yes, 1/2 is equal to 5 halves. Our final one is 1 1/3. And I've drawn 2 circles, although this one is not as cute as the other one. I'm going to color in my thirds. So we have 3/3 here, and then I'm going to color in a 1/3 right here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 thirds. So once more, 1 1/3 is the same amount as 4 thirds. Please be careful and make sure that you know how to do this. This pops up fairly often on Saxon math tests, so if you are comfortable with this, you should be fine when it comes to our tests.